Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel Unyistitches. In this channel we upload sewing tutorial, pattern drafting, sewing tips and sewing tricks. So in today's tutorial we want to make a quick waist sleeve. You can call it half sleeve or you can call it a petticoat. It's just something you can wear under your skirt. Maybe if your skirt doesn't have a lining, then you can use it, or if your gown doesn't have a lining, then you can use it. So what you need is just your waist measurement and the length of the sleeve that you want to make. Then you need your waistband, your chalk, jealous chalk, your tape, and your scissors for the cutting of the fabric. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the tutorial. For you to determine the fabric that is needed, it's just for you to go ahead and multiply your hip measurement by 1.25. After multiplying it by 1.25, whatever measurement you have, then you use it to cut your fabric. After getting the length of the fabric, the next thing will be for you to go ahead and determine the length of the sleeve, the waist sleeve that you need. The one I just need something not that long because I want to use it for a normal short skirt. So I'm going to use 24 inches for the length of my sleeve. Then for the waistband, what I'm going to put my elastic band through, I will keep 1 inch at the upper part, which I use it to put my elastic. Then I will bend using 1 inch. So what I have here is about 27 inches. Then I'm going to use 1 inch to overlock all my edges. So before going ahead, I would like to go to my overlocker. I will overlock all the edges of my fabric. Can you see? I will overlock all these edges. Then I will bring it and show you what to do next. So I've overlocked all the edges. Can you see? So what I'll do, the next thing will be for me to bend the hemline. So I'll just fold it this way. I will use 1 inch. Then I'm going to stitch the upper part. Then I will show you what next to do. Once we run another straight stitch that I will insert my elastic band in. So I've folded my hem. This is my hemline, and this is the side for my elastic. So what I will do will be for me to go ahead and pass my elastic band. So I'm going to use this pin to pass my elastic. There are different ways to attach your elastic band. You can decide to sew it, then fold it back. You still acquire the same result, but I like to pass mine this way. So I've pulled it to this other end. I will use my needle and secure the elastic band to this other end. Then I'm going to arrange this way. So I've inserted my elastic band. So what I'll do next will be for me to turn it this way. That is, turn it to the wrong side. I'll use my zigzag stitch and stitch from here to here. Can you see? Use my zigzag stitch. I'm using 1 inch sewing allowance. So I'll use my zigzag stitch and stitch from here to here. Then I will use my straight stitch to take it down. let me recap what I said. I'll use my zigzag stitch to stitch from here to this my overlock. Then I'm going to use a straight stitch all the way down. This is the final outcome of our waist sleeve or underskirt. Okay. You can decide to add your lace trimmings at the down part. So simple to make. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share our videos. We will see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.